Project Neve. As urban populations increase, we recognize the need for building compact, resilient, and well connected communities by developing an inclusive vision for cities and improving the quality of life of the local marginalized communities. We viewed the whole ecosystem of the project within the service design framework that was broken into four phases. Starting with the understanding of prerequisite information we had, then moving on to understanding the problem sphere, which enabled us to analyze our research data. Post primary research and literature review, we went on to a detailed ethnographic study of slums in Delhi. We followed a 6 step process. We did an extensive study with the help of people of Delhi. We picked 4 places, namely Bhalaswak, Chilla, Yamuna Ghat, and Chanakyapuri for this. We went ahead and conducted affinity mapping, which helped us organize our key insights, which are safety, sanitation, recreation, community spaces, affordability, infrastructure, these major 7 categories presented. Post all the studies, we went to defining stage where we used AHP analysis and how might be statements for the prioritization of the 7 attributes on which the project is built. Inclusivity being the topmost. Going ahead, we created a bubble diagram to understand the relation between different zones of the whole township. Conducted several sessions to iterate and reiterate on the zoning concepts to land onto that one perfect vision that we all had in mind. The final step in the process was to create housing for the land of 4.7 hectares with 60% open areas and 40% build up spaces with the FAR of 400. 73 buildings, 1,460 dwelling units, that is 310 dwelling units per hectare. This is how the final structure of the building looks like with all the views, front view and side view. This is how the floor plan of the building looks like. With the aim to achieve high density, the floor plan is created keeping in mind the current pandemic. The walking spine being very spacious and the park enhancing the interaction and boosting the overall mood. Being vehicle free in nature, it promotes walking and safety of children and people living in the township. Terraces could be used for several purposes. Garbage chute in the staircase of every building will help dispose of the garbage easily. Community centers situated right next to the park could be used for several activities. We recognize the future scope of the project with the same intention that the project started out with. It being that housing and strong, sustainable communities in India can be a solution to many problems that its citizens face, and more work in this field is always required. We are, in fact, not creating a solution for this pandemic but preparing for the next one. Thank you.